Trust. Who is here for Patrick O'Connor and Associates?
Nadine Maroos, attorney for Patrick O'Connors.
Okay, Maroos, is that how you pronounce your last name?
That is correct.
Okay, thank you. And is Haley Duff here?
No, this is Matt Rosenberg. I'm Haley's husband, representing her today.
Have you sent in a letter of representation?
I did not, but I was able to represent her on the last time we had a hearing. We tried to get a continuance for today because she was unavailable, but it was denied.
Okay, you know you're supposed to send in a letter of representation, and
I apologize. I was unaware of that.
no, you were told that on the previous continuances that you can't, you have to be a party, or if you're an attorney, you have to send a letter of representation. If you're an attorney, you know that.
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor. I don't recall being told that on the last time I was on this call representing her.
Well, as an attorney, you would know that
I'm not an attorney, ma'am.
you're not an attorney.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm her husband.
You're her husband, and as her husband, you cannot represent her unless you are an attorney. Okay.
Understood.
Okay, that's where the confusion is. You have to be a lawyer in order to represent someone in court. Okay, so officially she is not here today. Because she is not here, or an attorney who has sent in a letter of representation is not here.
Okay, so then do I need to get an attorney and have that attorney file an appeal then? What would be the smartest course of action?
I cannot advise you because I'm the judge. That would be giving you legal advice. And
Okay.
she's the one who needs to get legal advice. Okay. All I can tell you is because she is not here, because an attorney on behalf of her is not here, she is officially not here today.
Okay.
So we just have to proceed as though she is not here. Okay.
Thank you very much.
But thank you for appearing nonetheless, and we'll just go ahead and proceed. Ms. Maroos?
Yes.
You have, go ahead. Have you submitted the affidavits of
Yes. Yes, Your Honor. We've submitted a order on the judgment. Patrick O'Connor's is a tax appraising company who protests taxes for residential and commercial clients that have signed up with us. Under Exhibit A, you'll see the agent signed by the defendant. And then under Exhibit B, you will see the invoices that were mailed to the defendant with no payment.
Okay.
And the default judgment, we are requesting $22,781.48 as a principal balance, $281.65 on the principal amount, $475 in attorney's fees, $140.56 in court costs, and I'm not sure, I think it's 7.5.
It's 7.5.
7.5, so that would just need to be changed.
Okay. And technically it's not a default because they have requested continuances and been granted, so they have responded to the lawsuit. So we'll just enter it as a judgment where the defendant failed to appear at trial.
Yes.
Okay, and the court costs, we will enter the judgment without the specific court costs, as I say, because you, in case you have further court costs, they continue to accrue. So we just say you get the judgment you requested that will add up, and then say plus court cost.
Okay.
Post-judgment interest. Okay, we'll get that judgment out at the conclusion of the hearings today. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you.
Maker, so sorry.
Yeah.
I was looking over the case. I don't see that there's a military affidavit for the defendant.
Okay, let's see. Well, this is a civil, small claims suit, not an eviction case. Let me see, I'm not seeing To your, counsel, to your knowledge, is, Ms. Duff?
No,
No, what, and it's the trustee of the trust too?
correct.
Okay. So the property was the trust, correct?
Correct. The property's held in the trust.
Right. Okay, so, thank you for pointing that out, Miss Mary. I appreciate it. All right.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you very much, and I hope you have a pleasant afternoon.
You too. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.